Hello guys, you're welcome to Basic Tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube short video out of any video format. The YouTube short videos are in the ratio of 9:16, vertical. So if you have a video that have different kind of dimensions and kind of parameters, this video is for you. You can use this technique to change any video at all with any kind of parameters to a short video, a YouTube short video that you can upload on your channel. So what I'm using here is called the INSHOT application. It's free. There's also a premium version, but the free is capable of doing what we're going to do right now. So INSHOT is the application we're using, and the lesson is how to convert any video to a YouTube short video, any video at all. So let's go straight to the lesson. If you're not subscribed to this channel, I want you to use a few seconds to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right now and make sure you hit the notification bell so that when new videos are uploaded you'll be notified to watch. Thank you for doing that. Let's go straight to the lesson. So I will choose video here, so I'll click on video. Okay, and I'll click on the plus sign straight, and let's wait. It will take me to my video gallery. Okay, so we are there, we're almost there. Okay, so this is my gallery, a video gallery. So I want to select the first video. Okay, so I'll select the first video straight. You can select multiple videos, but I'm using only one video for this lesson. So I have this video right now, and this is the work area, and we have the other things here, few things that I'm going to show you how to do and how to use them. All right, so the video is almost done here. Okay, so this is the video, and this video I cannot upload it on YouTube right now as a YouTube short because the format does not align with the YouTube video kind of standard. The ratio and then the parameters, it's not vertical. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to choose the Canva. All right, so Canva is here, so I'll click on Canva. So when I click on Canva, you see the Canva and everything here. And we have first one, no frame, the Instagram frame, the 16:9. This is 16:9. This is 16:9 the ratio, but this one cannot be uploaded as a short. All right, this cannot be uploaded as a short. So what I've got to do is to change this video to a standard that will be compatible with the YouTube short. So I'll just go straight and I will click on the 9:16. Right, I'll click on 9:16. Obviously what has happened, so I've changed the ratio to 9:16. Then I'll just click on it. Okay, so I have it now. So now it is ready to be saved and then uploaded to my YouTube channel as a YouTube short. The ratio is now 9:16. Let's click and see 9:16, right? Just click on the tick, then I'll go to save up here. Okay, so the ratio is 1080. The resolution here, 1080. That is standard, and 30 frames per second. You have the estimated size to 2326. So what I'm going to do is just click on the save. And let's wait for it to be saved onto the phone. Then after that, we can go ahead and you short video. Let me with so it's video less than the short. So if you upload the video between the time 40 seconds, 2 seconds, a short or long video. Select it in a short. If I try to share it, to you can also to choose the area from a YouTube video where it actually make it flexible, because more watch more YouTube than video. So anyway, and I want way just upload it, and okay, so it's here. So it's initializing. Let's wait for some few seconds and it will start saving. Okay, so if you're a new YouTuber, this is a great way to get some do some short videos, upload, use the short video tag in the description and also in the title, and share. You see that people watch when it enters the algorithm. You see the people watching, and it actually exposes your channel to people, and you can actually increase your subscription kind of subscription rate. People begin to see your videos and they begin to actually subscribe to your channel, and your channel can actually grow and become great just using short videos. So thank you. It is converting. It will take some time. So this is a sample of the video. So any video at all that you come across, get it on INSHOT, change it to the frame to the camera frame to 9:16, and just make sure that you click on save, and when the saving is done, just go back to YouTube and upload it as a short video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like if this video was useful to you, share and comment if you have questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.